Hey everyone, being supervised by the kitty cat on this unboxing. She wants her cookies. Okay, we've got this unboxing. It is a package from Tormach. These are control boards. On their GitHub, they no longer have the config bits for their firmware. They asked me if I could extract it. They would post it on their GitHub. So they asked me what I needed, and here are some boards. She is just liking what's inside this box. Does she want a cookie? There you go, you got a cookie. Okay, so we have one board, two board, three boards there. That would be a grinder controller. The USBIO. So I will be back and I will get these dumped. Looks like this one might have to put a header in. That one's got a programming header. That one's got a programming header. Well, I will come back when I'm ready to dump these, and I will get them dumped, and I will get the config file or the configuration off the Tormach, and I will also have it posted in that next video.